Oh yeah, it's that fruit ninja. So Dad wants to cut down some of the bamboo because it's taken over, so we're going to go over there and start hacking some of it back, because it's so invasive. It just like spreads so quick, especially in this weather when it's really wet and sunny, and like the mixture of the two, it just spreads like wildfire and just takes over everything. So we're going to go try and get control of some of it. Oh God, this isn't good for my shoulder. Oh. Those ones are old ones. God, nice and sharp, this thing, isn't it? Oh, you've been cutting these ones down as well?
Yeah.
Wow.
They fall on the road.
Yeah. Christ, that is chunky. Oh yeah, that was a nice one. Almost in one. Oh God. Hopefully this will loosen up my shoulder a bit. Right, I'll try and get it in one go. Oh, that was two downwards. Oh, bouncy. Oh, that was it. Nearly went through the next one as well. It's a bit awkward now. There's a lot in the way. It's pretty cool in here. It's like you're in the Far East.
Yeah.
Well, it doesn't really matter about these ones, does it? Because they're already in the middle of the forest.
Cool.
Look at those ones.
Yeah. Look at those. There's some new ones in there, look.
Oh yeah.
You might not be able to get them at the base.
Should better get that one. That one's full of water. Jesus. I don't know if I can do this with my left hand. Shoulder injury. Let's see. Bonnie, it's us. Be quiet. Oh shit! It snapped in half. Oh God.
Stop off those ones.
These ones?
No, the shoots. Oh yeah, that is a shoot. Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry. Timber. Irrigation with that. There's another one in here. Timber. I'll try and do it one-handed. Ready? First person view. Oh yeah, it's like Fruit Ninja. Player one, ready. Feels like a video game when you do it from this point of view. Like, spreads so fast. Spreads so fast, it's crazy. Well, there you have it. That's what it's like trying to keep a bamboo forest at bay in these conditions. There's loads here as well, just coming up all over the lawn. It's mental. I mean, look at this. Look at it all. It's all just popping up all over the lawn. We just kick the tops off them. It kills the shoots, but it doesn't kill the roots, unfortunately. So they will just continue to spread and get further and further into the lawn. But just got to keep battling. Constant battle. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that little insight into keeping bamboo under control. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.